Hey everyone, thanks for taking a quick moment to check this video out. I just wanted to go ahead and give the channel a more proper introduction, as well as myself. I'm Jesse from Jesse's Garage and Adventures. In this video, I plan to go over my Vevor diesel heater. This heater is the Bluetooth model. I purchased it for around $120 on Amazon. I did not make a video on how I made the mount. I just ended up creating some out of some scrap wood and then purchased a through-hole exhaust and then ran the exhaust out the wall. Going to be doing a quick unboxing and initial thoughts. First run on a Vevor diesel heater. I got it for my rooftop tent. Obviously we had some shipping damage, but it doesn't appear to have gotten into anything in here. We'll see if it's missing any of the packaging inside. Upon unboxing it, we had these decks here, which open these up so we do that. Figure those out later. It also had instructions.
Kink in the fuel line already.
Yes, there is. Look at that. Quality. So we'll have to fix that. So this had a major kink right here. I went ahead and cut it off and then reslid the fuel line on. There's still plenty of slack here, so hopefully that won't continue to be an issue. So this is what the unit looks like inside without the cover on it. Pretty basic, just like every other one you see on YouTube. So on this particular model, this is the air intake and this is exhaust. So what we're going to do is go ahead and attach the metal pipe to here. Well, then we'll attach the silencer to it and we'll attach the small corrugated pipe for the intake right here. So for right now, I just bent this up to where it's not going to interfere. I've got this routed this way. I might zip tie it, I might just hold it, but we're going to test it out, see how it does before I go ahead and do the final assembly. Okay, so the instructions indicate that you need to press and hold the power down button while turning it on to get it to manually prime. So what we're going to do here is, here's the off and on button on the controller, and we're going to try this. So we're going to manually down, press it on.
Start heating.
This has different modes. It's got a timered mode, it's got a temperature sensing mode, and then levels. I have yet to mess with anything yet, so I'll let you guys know what I find. This unit does in fact have two different modes. The first mode is a temperature set mode. That should allow you to set the heater to work up until a certain temperature and then shut off. And then the other mode is a blower speed control mode, which just allows you to change the fan control from 1 to 11. So according to the instructions, it didn't quite work how I expected. It was supposed to start from 300 and count down, but the pump started pumping, so we'll give it a minute and see if this works for it. Right now it's blowing cool air. It's still blowing cool air. Yeah, the fan's turned up some speed, but I'm not sure. Camera. I smell something. Well, warm air now. It's definitely warm. It's working. In order to change the modes, you press M. And then that gives you a level, and then you can turn it up and down based on the level. So this right here is your level indicator. There should be 11 of these, and there are. So based on however hot or however much heat you want, you just change this. So for example, we got it on level 11. Yeah, that pretty easily gets up to 160, 170. You know, we'll turn it down to level 1. We'll give it a minute to normalize. And as you can see here, this has been running for exactly 1 hour now. So it looks like level 1 is about the same temperature, but it's a whole lot less airflow. So that's something to know about this style, is it doesn't decrease in air temperature, it just decreases in the amount of airflow. Alright, I just fired up the diesel here, which I kind of quick and dirty mounted it on the wall. I'm currently just powering it right here. I will make a video on how to use an Xbox One power supply to make it plug in where you don't have to charge the battery. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this or found this useful, please remember to like, share, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. It's a small growing channel. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them below. Thanks. Talk to you later.